Hi, welcome to my page. So today I'll show you how I got this look. So don't forget to subscribe. Now we're going to go with our first preps. I'm using toner and serum and face primer and this baby skin. Those keep my makeup going all day. Now we are done with our first prep. We're applying our foundation. Now we are concealing, highlighting the under eyes, the forehead, the jaw side, and the nose. Now, after highlighting, I like to bake. No, it's not that I like to bake. You have to bake. You have to bake. Then you contour your cheekbone and your forehead, contour your nose, then we go over to our eyebrow. I try as much as possible to make the video short because I just feel uncomfortable when my video is way past 2 minutes. So I'll be posting a tutorial separately for the lip and the eyeshadow. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.